Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we'll introduce you to the Facebook feed carousel widget brought to you by the Element Pack add-on for Elementor. Let's drag and drop the widget inside the editor page. You can see rather stretched out items due to a equal height feature. Just get into the additional settings section and turn off the item match height switcher, and all items will revert to their actual sizes. The carousel is in autoplay mode and sliding itself automatically. So let's turn it off from the carousel settings section. Now, in the first section, you can either select Global API and pull data from your backend or use Custom Facebook API to connect the feed carousel. A switcher here enables the caching feature with an option to select the cache reload duration. From the additional section, you can select the number of columns to display feeds on the screen. There's an item gap scroll bar here. Also, you'll find layout styles. Below are other switches to show or hide specific elements from the widget, such as the description, feature image, author, etc. At the bottom, you can change the Read More button text and then decide where to open the link once your visitors click on a feed item to view the full article. And there is a post limit feature added to the controls. On the carousel settings page, we have all the animation controls available to let you customize the animation style, span, mode, etc. As for the navigation, you are about to find single and combined navigation styles, as well as a whopping 23 arrowheads for arrow navigation. Be sure to check this later. Now we can switch to the Style tab and explore the appearance customization controls for the Facebook feed carousel. Within the Items section, you can change the backgrounds for the content part of the carousel. For instance, a white color suits most occasions. With border radius, you can curve the edges of the whole interface and make the border smoother. Box shadow, as always, creates a 3D-like shadow property to the items and makes them more eye-catchy. With little adjustments, you can illuminate the carousel to make it stand out. Next, we're inside the Author section. The first thing you can do here is to change the text color for the author's name. Here, the author is our company profile. The name goes blue, and we can customize the font using typography settings. Now the author's image size can be adjusted in case. You can add padding and border to make the image look more professional. There are more options here to explore, but in the Date section, we can change the color of the date, customize the font through typography, like changing the font family, size and letter weight, or use text shadow for more style. The same settings with an additional margin option are available for the text section. Same as before, first change the text color and then customize the font. Then jumping to the Read More section, go ahead and change the color of the button for normal and hover modes. Check how that looks. Then you can go for the typography option here. Next, the Like Comments Counter section has lots of options you can work with. Start with the text color. Let's make it white. For the background, a deeper blue works fine. We can switch between the like and comment subsections and apply the same changes here. Note, we can increase both the icon size and spacing between the counters from here. Then select color for the hover mode. Check them out just in case. Of course, the hover option is separated for both counters, so better change the settings for both. Next, we are going to modify the tiny share button within the same line as the Read More button. From the option, first change the text color, then change the background color. The share option comes with a drop-down menu from where you can select where to share the content. The drop-down menu can also be customized through the subsection controls here. Here we may go for a white background color and some values in border radius, padding and box shadow for better visuals. Check how nice it looks. The subsection further breaks into separate options for the title and list. Here you can edit the text color and font settings along with margin values. The list or links has a hover option as an extra measure. Lastly, we are down to the navigation settings. First, we can change the color profiles. Then add a border style with a minimum border width and a toned down border color. Then increase the border radius to make the arrows into rounds. Adjust the paddings for a better finish and add box shadow to nail it. Don't forget to reverse the colors for the hover mode and use offset to reposition the arrows. And that's all. You end up with a stunning Facebook feed carousel for your landing page. Hope this tutorial helped. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel and get updates on new tutorials. Stay safe and see you next time.